Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. So today we're diving into another Southern classic. We are going to be making cabbage and sausage. So don't want to miss this video. This is a really delicious dish. So to all my amazing viewers, I really want to thank you for helping to support my channel. For the new viewers, I'd like to say welcome. And also remember to hit that like, share, and subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. So with that out of the way, let's get everything together and let's make some cabbage and sausage. For our cabbage and sausage, you're going to need the following: smoked sausage, olive oil, onion, garlic, cabbage, kosher salt, black pepper, and red wine vinegar. If you enjoy my content and want to help support the channel, hit the join button below this video. We have us a Dutch oven heated up over a medium-high heat with our olive oil. And to this, we're going to add our sausage, which we've cut in half lengthways, and then cut into half-inch pieces. So we're going to cook this till we get a nice sear on all sides. All right, so now that our sausage has been seared on all sides, we are going to add in our onion. And we're going to use this to pull up the brown bits off of the bottom of the pot. And we're going to cook this till the onions become soft, which will be about 3 to 5 minutes. All right, so our onions have been going for a good few minutes, and as you can see, they're starting to soften and turn brown. So we're going to turn our heat down to a medium-low, and to this, we're going to add in our cabbage. Give this a quick stir. Grab mine. So we are going to add in our pepper, our salt, and our garlic. So now we're going to put a cover on this and let this go till the cabbage starts to turn soft, which should be about 10 minutes or so. So this has been going a good 15 minutes or so, and as you can see, our cabbage is actually, I'm just tongue-tied today. As you can see, our cabbage is ready to go. It's nice and soft. So what we're going to do is give this a quick taste, see if we need anything. Yeah, need a little bit more salt. There we go. Give this a good stir. Oh yeah. That's just what it needed. Now we're going to add in our red wine vinegar. And we're going to add our sausage back in. Get all them drippings out the bowl. Give this a good stir. And we're going to let this go another 5 minutes covered. So this has been going for an additional 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and give this a good look. Oh yeah, everything looks good to go. All right, so let's go ahead and get us a plate and give us some. Get a little bit extra sausage, because that's always good. And there we go. So now that we've got everything plated up, let's give this a good try. All right, get some cabbage onions, give me some sausage. Oh yeah, this is good. Okay, I gotta put this down. So you're really gonna like this. Now, I used an andouille sausage, which gives it a little bit more of a kick, but you can use whatever sausage you prefer. So I really want to thank everybody for watching, and I want to remind everybody to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. So I want to thank everybody for watching and help to support my channel. So until next time, enjoy cooking in the kitchen. I'm going to finish this off.